welcome to my channel. Today I've got two of the Lime Crime Valentines liquid lipsticks. I'm hoping they're matte. It says makeup for unicorns, and I do like my colours, and the colours I've got are Red Velvet and Psycho. Never tried an orange, so I might swatch the red and wear the orange. Yeah, we're going to do that. So we're going to swatch the Red Velvet. I don't know what Lime Crime's like. Never used them, so I couldn't tell you. Oh, this smell. They smell like a vanilla, like a nice creamy vanilla colour. So let's just swatch. That's a really nice colour. Yeah, that's nice. Yes, we're loving that. Got to see if it dries down to a matte. But yeah, it seems to be drying down. Now we're going to do Psycho, but I'm going to put Psycho on. I'm not saying the application is going to be great. One of my lips is deflated. Need it refilling again. But yeah. So, again, smells like vanilla. I've used something similar to this before, but yeah, so I've used something similar to it before, but I can't think what it is what I've used. But anyway, I'm going to try it on my lips and we're going to see how it looks. Not too bad so far. Wow. How bright is this?